Hello loves, this is K.Hill of LocAccessories.com, and I'm just hopping into this Facebook Live to talk to you about hair thinning and hair loss. I just went to the dermatologist this morning because I've been experiencing some hair loss, which is quite shocking to me because I've never had this problem before. But a few months back I noticed a bald spot. It's about the size of a dime, and I didn't, well, of course it concerned me, but I didn't do anything about it. I guess I was kind of hoping and wishing that it would just go away on its own, but it didn't. And then I saw a second one, so I was, of course, a little bit more concerned, but I still didn't take any action. And then about a month ago, I saw a third one, and I really started to get worried because I don't know. You let me know if anyone's out there. Women of a certain age, I guess, start to experience hair thinning and hair loss, and I guess I'm getting to that certain age where it's affecting me. And because I never had any problems with that before, I didn't really know what to do about it or what actions to take. But eventually I decided I was going to go see a dermatologist who also, deals with trichology, which is the study of the scalp. And so my appointment was this morning, and I got some really interesting insights. I'm so glad I went. It was not a cheap appointment, but that's okay because I have a little more peace about the situation now. What she told me was that first of all, one of the first questions that she asked me was, do I have an itchy scalp? Does my scalp itch? And my scalp itches all the time, like all the time. Like, that was actually one of the main reasons that I developed a tool that I have called the InstaLock. If you don't know, I had dreadlocks for about 11 years or so. I've since combed them out, and I'm a loose natural now. But at the time, I had locks, and at that time, the common practice was to palm roll your locks and then kind of not wash them and wait for them to mat and lock. And I could not do that. My hair itched way too bad for me to go a month without washing my hair. Comment if you have the same issue. I cannot go that long without washing my hair. I have to wash my hair at least once a week because my scalp itches way too much. And my scalp has always itched. I just thought it was just something you have to deal with. So again, sorry, so I'm jumping topics, but that's the reason that I developed the InstaLock, was so that I could lock my hair instantly and not have to wait for that full matting process because I had to wash my hair on a pretty frequent basis. But when she asked me about the itching scalp, I said, yes, my scalp itches a lot. And she said that that was a clear sign of inflammation. And inflammation can lead to hair thinning, or it contributes to hair thinning and eventually hair loss, I guess, if left untreated. So I'm at that stage where it has not been treated, so it's causing hair loss. So even though that was a little bit scary to hear, it was also reassuring because I know that there is a cause that I can deal with. And that's why you go to the professional, because I had no idea that the two were connected. And now that I know that the two are connected, I can take action. I can do something about it. And that makes me feel a whole lot better. I actually feel relieved because if I deal with the inflammation, not only will the itchy scalp be remedied, but also I can kind of give the hair follicles a rest. They'll hopefully rejuvenate and start to grow back the little bald spots that I am noticing. So If you have any issues with hair thinning and hair loss, are you of a certain age and now all of a sudden you're noticing these things too, let me know. Drop a comment below. Even if you're watching the replay, drop a comment and let me know, because this is something that I can investigate further. I am not a doctor and I don't pretend to be. I don't play one on the internets, but I will look into bringing on some experts if it's something of interest to you. I can bring on some experts and we'll have some conversations about dealing with hair loss and hair thinning. So I'm about to head off to the pharmacy. She gave me a prescription to help stop the itchy scalp and calm the inflammation, so I'm about to head off to the pharmacy to go pick that up, and I am really excited about it. I'll keep you posted. All right, talk to you later, love. Bye bye.